How to stabilize footage and After Effects. This is really simple to do, and many people use this method to stabilize footage for editing to achieve a nice, smooth result. But how do you create this effect? Let's dive right into the video. First, now we need to make sure that we have the tracker panel. You can get the tracker panel by going to the window above, and then you need to select tracker. Now we need to select the clip and go to the tracker panel. Then we need to select stabilize motion. Now we need to select the area you want. The bigger the selection, the better the result will be. But it can be longer if you have a big selection. Okay, now you can press play or press the button next to it to do it frame by frame. Once you have done it, click on edit target and select the layer you want to use. Now we need to apply it, so press apply and choose X and Y so it will position correctly. And here we go, now your footage is stabilized and After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.